airwaves or rocking the club?
Both give me that that thrill, that energy. The airways is a little bit more constructed, organized, where the party scene is where you gotta read your crowd.
Right.
You know, the airwaves, you have to predict your crowd. You know what I mean? Have to feel a vibe where it's nobody in front of me, but it's millions of people listening to me on the radio.
So, like, how does that motivate you? When you behind that mic, when you are spinning the records, like how are you able to say, all right, you know what, I'm rocking this shit right now?
For radio, it's just me probably hearing the reaction or going out of town and people like, yo, it's Superstar J, yo, I listen to you every Saturday.
Right.